Hey guys, we're back at 8:36 p.m. Battling for Spencer's Luke Jedi figure there. It's got a nice blue saber. Great battle. I got 100 spots that I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winner. There we got him. Copy him here. Paste him here. 1 through 100. There they are. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 9er. We're gold. Good luck, guys. Here it goes. Andrew, round 1. David, 2. Gary, 3. Hunter, 4. Adam takes round 5 with number 8. Gary, 6. David, 7. Gary Como on the top spot for our next to last round, round 8, which means our winner is Gary Bleach in at number 5. Congrats, Gary. Here's the verification code and official results for you guys. JYMVBO. Gary Bleach, number 5, is the victor of Spencer's Luke Jedi battle. I'm done at 8:37 p.m. There it is. Again, here's the official results. And our winner, Gary, in at number 5. Congratulations. See you guys. Thanks.